So you might go out, get completely wasted, and come back at a normal bedtime still.
Ooh, I like that. Thank you to everyone for the good wishes from yesterday. I'm feeling much better today. I'm still a little bit sore. I slept okay, but I'm definitely feeling better today, and I'm in an awesome mood today. So I am just on my way now to Siam to do a little bit of shopping, and I felt like walking there. You know, it's been a while since I've been here in Bangkok walking up Sukhumvit, and it's a while since I've made like a real Bangkok vlog. There's something really special about this city. I don't know what it is, but when I'm away from it, I miss it. When I get back, I feel charged. There's a great energy here. It's such a fun city to make these videos in. It's so photogenic. There's so much going on. It's so chaotic and interesting at the same time. I really enjoy just like simple things. You know, I listen to podcasts and go for a walk through here. I've walked these streets like 1,000 times, but I still enjoy it every single time. So lately I've been craving khao man gai. I haven't had it since I got back, and there's a great place near here, great little strip of street food restaurants. I just need to remember where it is. Also managed to find the place. This place is definitely on the harder side of places to come visit. So along here, none of the places have English menus or pictures, so you have to kind of be able to know how to speak. I know enough how to be able to order this and just recognize what the restaurants have by what they're cooking, I guess. I've eaten here before, so it was harder the first time, but I do love this. It's like the last thing that I really love that I haven't eaten since I got back to Thailand. That was an awesome lunch, as always. If you're feeling adventurous, you should come check out this place. It's just under the bridge. That bridge there goes across to the... what mall is that? The Siam Centre Mall. Right, shopping is done, got everything I came for. I need to go home. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. I need to go home and start getting ready for our live stream, doing a live with Dan tonight. They're always a whole lot of fun, but I gotta set everything up. So I have got about an hour until Dan gets here, so I just need to rearrange everything, get the studio set up, head to 7-Eleven, get some beers, and then we're good to go. Alright, so this is a look at how it's kind of going to be. I don't use this camera, so it's going to look a little bit different, but this is the setup, these are the lights, this is how I want everything to look. So really excited. I just need to go to 7-Eleven, get some beers, and then it's the calm before the storm. It's always a laugh buying that many beers. They always look at you like, what the hell are you going to do with all those beers? I'm going to drink them. Possibly out of a shoe. Right. It's a bit tough on the old ribs carrying that bag back. Oh yeah, that's a good looking fridge.
How's it going? Ready? Live time! Cheers, Zach.
Thank you, Zach.
Appreciate that. Thanks for
Gonna need it. I'm gonna fucking spend a little in Nana very shortly. So I'm vlogging here. So live stream went. You happy?
Happy.
Happy, yeah.
Drunk.
We yeah, too. We drank a lot. We ended up doing Jules shoeies. I set this like unrealistic amount. I was like, yeah, $300 we'll both do shoeies. I didn't think it was gonna happen.
Yeah, we got it. $300 back to back.
Turns out it happened.
Shoeies.
Everyone's got their price.
Thanks for your support, everyone.
Thank you.
A lot of people watching this.
You know what? But they're so much fun, right? Like I enjoy it.
Yeah, lots of always fun.
Enjoy
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
This is people. This is what we see.
This is our job.
You fuckers.
You fuckers.
Now, but great time. Yeah, we got to wrap this up.
You can't finish,
what did I say?
can you?
9 beers. 9 beers in 3 hours.
You can't finish there, can you? Finish the job, but don't start at all.
Well, the problem is it's 9:30, and I'm not even close to being ready to go to bed yet. Like it's not bedtime.
So you might go out, get completely wasted, and come back at a normal bedtime still.
Ooh, I like that.
It's nice. Still get 8 hours.
I like that. Yeah, I'm not even like jeopardizing my tomorrow.
Yeah, you can come back at 1
I gotta
still, get a
fucking
nice
edit
8
and
hours
upload
set
tomorrow. Thank you to everyone that tipped. Kind of. Great night. We had a lot of fun.
I can still
I
taste your
think
foot.
I'm speaking on my behalf. I had a lot of fun. All right, live's done. We had a great time. That's what I'm gonna have to deal with tomorrow morning. I'm going out. I've got the flavor. Got the flavor, as Dan says.
I'm going to bed.
He's not. You got fucking food for you at home, right? So I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna finish up the video here. This was a great night. Thank you to everyone that tuned in for the live. Thank you to everyone that tipped. You have fun.
Appreciate all of you.
The shoeies are a bit rough, but it's all in a great laugh, and it's all for good
I
fun.
can literally still taste your feet.
Yeah.